Hey travelers, are you unknowingly making rookie mistakes that are costing you money, time, or even your entire trip? In this video, I'll walk you through the most common travel habits people think are smart. But actually, they're setting you up for stress, delays, and overspending. So let's break it down. Here's what you should stop doing immediately and what to do instead if you want to travel smart. Number 1. Don't wait till the last minute to book flights. Don't do this. Booking flights at the last minute, hoping for a miracle deal. And why it's a problem. Airlines usually raise prices as the departure date gets closer, especially in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Those last-minute deals you heard about? They're rare and most often for very inconvenient routes or times. You can do this instead. Plan ahead. For domestic travel, book 1 to 3 months in advance. For international, aim for 2 to 6 months out. This gives you access to better prices, more flight options, and you avoid that frantic, expensive booking rush. Number 2. Don't rely on hotel wake-up calls. Don't do this. Depending on the hotel's front desk to wake you up for an early flight or tour. And why it's risky. Sometimes wake-up calls are forgotten or misprogrammed, and if you miss that wake-up call, you could miss your flight and potentially lose hundreds of dollars. You can do this instead. Use your own alarm, preferably 2. Set one on your phone and a backup on a travel alarm clock or smartwatch. Put your phone on airplane mode if you're worried about notifications disturbing your sleep. Take control of your own schedule. Number 3. Don't exchange currency at the airport. Don't do this. Changing your money at the airport's currency exchange counter. Why it's a ripoff. These kiosks often have terrible exchange rates and high service fees. You're basically paying a premium just for convenience. You can do this instead. Use an ATM at your destination once you arrive. You'll usually get a much better exchange rate even after ATM fees. Also, consider getting a debit card with no foreign transaction fees or ATM reimbursement. Some banks offer these specifically for travelers. Number 4. Don't overpack and don't check all your clothes. Don't do this. Stuffing your suitcase like you're moving abroad and putting everything into checked luggage. Overpacking means you're dragging around extra weight, paying baggage fees, and if your checked bag is delayed or lost, you're stuck with nothing. You can do this instead. Pack smarter, not heavier. Use packing cubes, plan mix and match outfits, and always pack a change of clothes and basic toiletries in your carry-on. That way, even if your checked bag doesn't arrive, you're not stranded. Number 5. Don't ignore your passport's expiration. Don't do this. Thinking your passport is valid just because it hasn't technically expired yet. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. If it's not, you could be denied boarding or worse, denied entry when you land. You can do this instead. Double-check your expiration date before you even book flights. Renew early if needed, and don't forget to check entry requirements for each country you're visiting. Number 6. Don't rely on Wi-Fi or data for directions. Don't do this. Assuming you'll just use Google Maps on your phone once you land. That can backfire because you might not have data right away, especially if your SIM card or roaming plan isn't activated. Or you could lose signal in transit. So you can do this instead. Download offline maps of the cities or regions you're visiting on Google Maps. This works without any internet connection and gives you access to street names, landmarks, and navigation. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Number 7. Don't put all your money in one place. Don't do this. Keeping all your cash and cards in one wallet or pocket. It's dangerous. Why? Well, if your wallet gets lost or stolen, your entire trip can grind to a halt. You could be stranded without money. You can do this instead. Split your funds. Keep some cash and a backup card in a hidden pouch or separate bag. Use a decoy wallet with a small amount of cash for added security in case of theft. Number 8. Don't skip travel insurance. Don't do this. Thinking travel insurance is just for overly cautious people or expensive trips. Even a short trip can go wrong. Missed flights, lost luggage, medical emergencies abroad, or political disruptions. The out-of-pocket cost can be massive. You can do this instead. Get coverage that fits your trip. Many providers let you choose specific options like medical only, cancellation protection, or full comprehensive packages. It's a small price for peace of mind. Number 9. Don't assume cultural norms are the same everywhere. Don't do this. Wearing revealing clothes at religious sites or acting overly casual in conservative countries. You might offend locals, get denied entry, or even break the law. And nothing ruins a trip like cultural tension or fines. You can do this instead. Do a little homework. Know the dress codes and basic customs. Carry a scarf or light wrap for temples or mosques. Respect goes a long way, and it makes your travel experience smoother and more rewarding. Number 10. Don't travel without digital backups. Don't do this, leaving all your key documents like passport, Idaho, and visa in paper form only. If your documents are lost or stolen, replacing them can be a nightmare without proof of identity. You can do this instead. Scan or take clear photos of all important documents and email them to yourself or upload to secure cloud storage. Also, carry a few photocopies. Some countries require them for permits or SIM card registration. Look, travel is amazing, but it can go south fast if you make the wrong assumptions or skip the prep work. So don't do that. Do these instead. You'll avoid the headaches, save money, and actually enjoy the trip the way you're supposed to. If this video helped you, give it a like. Drop a comment with your own travel tips and subscribe for more no-fluff smart travel advice every week. Safe travels, and remember, good planning makes a great trip.